Hey guys, it is Greg again. Wanted to go over here Bitcoin and present something to you that I found pretty interesting. It's from this gentleman from Crypto Crew University, which I think he's probably onto something. What have I been saying all along in my videos? I said 60, 90, 120 days. Bitcoin it's going to be coming down here significantly in this area, is my opinion. I'm giving you numbers in this area, that 20,000, maybe 19,000, 24,000, somewhere in that area. And if you take a look, this is the weekly chart coming down here, come up a little bit, swing back down, boom, something significant is going to happen there. So let's listen to what he has to say.
Have here is our custom indicator which projects when this mega death cross will happen. It's when you dig deeper, here's where it gets interesting. You see, when we had the mega death cross in 2015, it was here on this date. The key is, if you look left, we already bottomed. The bottom was already in. Now, take a look at 2019. When we had one here, the bottom was already in. This is the key, because you want to know, when is the bottom? What price is the bottom going to be at? This 4-day death cross could tell us precisely that. Now,
okay, guys, that's just a little bit of information. There's still a couple more clips I'm going to show you. And he was using it's calling it the 4-day death cross that this gentleman, Crypto Crew University, is using. And I think he might be onto something. But if you go through, I'm going to put a link for his video description down there. He's talking about how it's a seller's market. It's a buyer's market, it's a buyer's market, not a seller's market, kind of what I've been saying all along. Going with this whole Elliott wave theory, where Bitcoin is potentially going to be making a move like this, coming down, complete that fourth, and swinging back up on the fifth. Let's continue watching.
When we dig into where we are now and when this death cross is going to happen, it's scheduled to happen in August. But when it does, it also represents some of the best buying opportunities of your life. This is a buyer's market. This is not a seller's market.
All right, guys, you watched a little bit of that clip. I hope this guy doesn't get upset I used his videos or anything like that, but I'm going to send traffic to his channel, because I do think he's onto something, and that he's looking for the bottom. And then you've seen the videos where he said, this is a buyer's market, not a seller's market. So just like I said before, guys, is that, here's my plan, is that in this area, when Bitcoin is going to be coming down to these areas, is that I'm going to be looking for buying opportunities. Now, that doesn't mean that you come up with a number and that's where I'm going to ape in with Bitcoin. Of course, you have to have a strategy, how much you're going to put in, what percentage, et cetera, things like that. And then, just to be on the safe side, you can have stop losses, like I mentioned before, in case things do go not in your favor, and then you can get out and keep most of your capital. But I'm still sticking to my story, where that I do think that this is just a fourth wave correction. I've done videos on how this has all the behavior of a fourth wave. It's not anything unusual. The Fibonacci levels on the fourth wave are not out of line. So if I do a retracement on this whole third wave and check that out, right now, guys, at the 0.382, about 20,000, and it's between the 24% and the 38%. It's right in the middle. And typically, and you're seeing it like right there, like that in the middle. Normally, you don't even see assets like this stop in the middle of Fibonacci levels. They're usually more closer. It'd be closer to this one and to that one. So that's just what I've noticed, when you start investigating them and looking at them and things like that. So I still think this is going to be a significant area. And, going down to this 50% is not likely, in my opinion, if this is a fourth wave, just because 50% for a fourth wave is too deep. It can't come close to it. It can't come close to it as long as it doesn't breach this area right here, is that area. So it'd be 13,000 more or less, almost 14,000. So long as it doesn't breach that area, this is still a fourth wave. I don't think that it is. It just has the behavior, dragging it out, frustrating. Everybody's like, we're going into a recession with Bitcoin and all the other markets and things. And typical behavior, if you study and read about fourth waves and what they do, especially at this scale, guys. So thanks for watching all the way to the end of my video. Have a few more new subscribers. I do appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Thanks, guys, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.